Hey guys, welcome back to Sunday Potluck. This is where we're cooking through 3 of our church's cookbooks, and today I am cooking a recipe out of the second edition of the O Taste and See cookbook. But before we can do that, it calls for 3 cups of hot cooked rice, so I have to cook rice. And I don't know if I've told y'all before. I think I have. Oh, trying to grab scissors. I think I have that. I'm a terrible rice cooker. So I watched some videos on YouTube and I found Gordon Ramsay's rice video. And, you know, it's Gordon Ramsay, so it's got to be good rice, right? And it's got to be like the perfect rice. So I am going to, it's getting on my nerves. I'm going to try to replicate his rice. So, it says, he said that I needed, and I wrote it down, 400 grams of rice. And he said, I can't understand his accent very much, but he says some kind of rice is like the best rice. I just got like great value long grain rice because I'm really not sure exactly what it was he said. And to be honest, I had the long grain rice. So I got a scale because he had a scale, and I have a scale, so why not use it? So let's see what I'm doing here. So it is 400 grams of rice, and I don't have one of those colander thing, and it wasn't a colander, it was a mesh colander. So I'm gonna black rice. So I'm just gonna put it in this, and I know that I'm probably gonna lose some. So I think I'm gonna well, I don't think I'm gonna do it. I am gonna do it. I'm going to I'm gonna put a paper towel down in here so that it will still water will still go through it, but I won't lose any of the rice. And then he said you rinse it with cold water. So I'm going to go rinse this with cold water, and I'll be right back. So that went a lot better in my head than it did in actuality, because I had these stupid 3-ply paper towels and they broke. So like right in the middle of the thing. So anyway, so he put it in, he put that. See what I mean? It just breaks. Bless it. So I'm probably not going to have 400 grams of rice. Ugh. Okay. So, y'all learning with me. That's okay. Gardening, I guess if I had the right tools, it would work out. But I don't have the right tools. So, you know, you gotta have the right tools, but you also gotta just do what you gotta do, right? Okay, so there is 400-ish grams of rice, rinsed off, probably not drained very well, but rinsed off with cold water. And then he put like star van anise, or however you say it, because I said it wrong, I know. But he put in that, and he went ahead and put in salt and pepper and stuff. I'm not going to do that because I'm cooking another recipe, so I'm not adding all of that. But then he added 600 milliliters of cold water. Oh, wait, where's my milliliters? Okay, so 600 milliliters of cold water. And he said that it is 1 part rice to 1.5 parts water. And that's not quite 600 milliliters. So let's see if that works. And then you put it in a pot and you bring it to a boil as fast as you can, which I don't know how fast you can bring water to a boil any faster than what it is. Now, my pot lids have this little hole right here so that steam comes out, which is good except for when you're cooking with rice. But thankfully, I saved one pot lid from my old pots, and it fits perfectly on this one, and it doesn't have a hole. So he said to boil it, bring it to a boil as fast as you can, and then turn it down to simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna see if this rice turns into good rice, and if it does, then hallelujah, I can cook rice. He also said to not lift up the pot lid, but I don't know how you're supposed to not lift up the pot lid. And he also said not to lift up the pot lid, but I don't know how you're supposed to not lift up the pot lid and know that your water's boiling. That's why I like the clear glass ones, because I can see that it's boiling. But this one has a hole, that one doesn't, so I have to use that one. So how am I going to know if it's boiling or not without lifting up the pot lid? I'm just going to have to lift up the pot lid. That's all there is to it. All right, y'all, so the rice just got done. Timer just went off. It's been on there for 8 minutes. We're going to see how fluffy. All right. I might have made rice. I'm so excited. Okay. Y'all, this works out. I'm really so excited because I've never really made rice, like real rice. Not hot. Okay. Well, there's no flavor because there's no salt in it or anything. I made rice. I'm sorry, I'm just excited that I made rice. Hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to Sunday Potluck already, go ahead and do that. And don't forget to hit that little bell notification. And so you'll see what I'm cooking next. See you later. Bye.